Have you been feeling stressed, jittery, or maybe just restless? Do you want to feel calm and grounded and maybe just cultivate those moments of mindfulness throughout your day? Then come and join me for this short movement sequence so we can reset our nervous system. I'm going to lead you through some very simple moves where we explore different pathways and patterns, and I'll cue you as we go. I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counselor and a registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. And I would like to urge you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professional if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. Please take it easy with your body and please be mindful of any pre-existing injuries and health conditions that you may have, and so that you don't aggravate those. I will take it easy with my arm today because I broke my wrist while ice skating. And I've also got a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video. It helps you track your body sensations, the thoughts and feelings you experience before, during, and after you do this exercise, and it's free for you to download. So let's get right into it. Let's start by taking a deep breath in. You're welcome to place your hands on your belly or leave them hanging to the side, whichever feels more comfortable to you. So let's take a deep breath into our belly and then make the exhale longer. So we're going to take a deep breath in. Let your belly expand and exhale. You may close your eyes if you wish. Let's take another deep belly breath. Hold and exhale. One last time, taking a deep belly breath in and exhale. Now we're going to bend our knees and we're going to make ourselves a little bit small. So focusing on our core. So making ourselves into a ball almost. And then we're going to step wide out into a star shape. You can look up if you wish. So what we're working with here is that pattern, that energy pathway that leads us from our core, from our center. So you may touch your belly if you wish. And then that leads out into our limbs, into our legs, into our arms, into our head, and into the bottom of our spine, our tail. So let's do that again. We're going to make ourselves small, almost making ourselves into a ball, and then stepping out into that star shape. So it's really that pathway of focusing on our core and then stepping out. Let's play with that a little bit. So we're going to step out and make that a little bit more dynamic. You can take the other foot to step out as well. And stretch your belly as you step out. I can feel the muscles in my back working. It's a very simple move, but it activates that pathway that leads from our core out into our limbs. It's basically reaching out into the world, being stable within ourselves, being stable within our core. So you can feel your core, feel your abdomen engage as you make yourself small, and then keep it engaged as you step out. All right, let's just roll up, standing. And now we're going to work a little bit with our head-tail connectivity. So with our spine, we're going to place our head on our chest, then gently roll our body down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Keep yourself soft in your knees. You can bend your knees and then touch the floor. And then rolling back up from the tailbone, vertebrae by vertebrae. Take it very easy and gently with your body. Just notice anything, any tension or any sensation in your spine. Again, we're going to put our head on our chest and rolling vertebrae by vertebrae, really being gentle with your body here. Bending into our knees, touching the floor, and rolling back up from our tailbone. Vertebrae by vertebrae. Let's do that one last time. Head on your chest and rolling down and rolling back up. Now I'm going to show you from my profile. We're going to take our arms out and pretend we're hugging a ball. But while we do that, we're going to push our tailbone in and the head of our spine in. So we're going to round our spine and then pretend we're hugging a ball with our arms. So that looks like this. Engage your core here. And we really want to work on head-tail connectivity here. So again, engage your core, push your tailbone and your head, the top of your spine into a curve very gently. And one more time, engaging our core. All right. Step back to the front. Let's take a deep breath in here, working with our core distal connectivity again. So we're going to focus on our core here and we're going to breathe in and again, going into our knees and breathe in and release. Now we're going to work with our upper body while we're keeping our lower body stable. So let's take our arms to the side, keep your core engaged, and now we're going to reach from one side to the other. So we're going to reach one side, come back to the center, reach to the other side, while we're stable and grounded through our feet. So really the lower body provides all the stability here. So a real nice sense of stability through the feet, through the ground. All right. Let's do a couple more. Side and the other side. Take the arms down and I'll keep my arms slightly up because of the cast. And we're going to lift our shoulders and down. You can breathe in and down. You can almost drop them if that is available to you and if that feels comfortable to you. Again, breathe in and drop them. Now we're going to keep our upper body still and we're going to, you may place your hands on your hips. We're going to step to the side. You can involve your hips if you want. And then step to the other side, close. So we're basically just separating our body halves here, letting our lower body move while our upper body remains stable and vice versa. Now we can also walk forward and backwards. Again, walk forwards and backwards. Now we're going to work with the right body half and then the left body half. So stabilizing one body half while the other's working. So let's just work with one arm and then the other arm first. So we're going to take our arm up and then draw a circle. So taking it up to the front of your body diagonally and then taking it to the side. One more time. While the other body half is completely stable. Now let's do that with the other arm. Taking the arm to the front diagonally and then reaching it out to the other side. And that's actually a really nice stretch also that goes through the side here and through your tummy as well. So keep your core engaged while you do this. It looks very simple and it is very simple, but it is simple so that we can focus on what happens within our body and within our mind. Let's do one more. Now we're going to step just one leg out to the front and then back to the middle, to the side and back to the middle, to the back and back to the middle. Let's do that one more time with the same leg. So we're going to step it out to the front and back to the middle, side, back to the middle, back to the middle. Again, the idea is to separate our body halves. So let's do that with the other leg. So we're going to step to the front and back to the middle, to the side, back to the middle, to the back and back to the middle. Again, to the front, back to the middle. Keep your core engaged and try to keep your other body half as stable as possible. And to the back. Now we'll take our arms with us. So we're going to take our arm and our leg forward and back to the middle. Taking our arm and our leg to the side, back to the middle. Taking our arm, and I'm shifting my weight here as well, to the back, to that leg, and back to the middle. So it is also really a weight shifting exercise. So we're shifting our weight into that front, into that leg that goes to the front, and into that leg that goes to the side, and then we're shifting it back to both our feet. And to the back. And let's try that with the other side. Out to the front. Very simple. So really focusing on what happens here in our body, in our mind, any thoughts and feelings that arise, maybe boredom, maybe tension, maybe there's a sense of being annoyed, frustrated, or maybe it's a sense of lightness and happiness. Where are you at today? And to the back. Remember that free reflection tool will help you with that as well. Now let's let this come to a close here. So we've gone through the different Bartenieff fundamentals today. There's one missing that I'll add on in another exercise. But these are the different movement patterns that babies go through as they become a crawling and then a walking infant. And going through these patterns helps us repattern our movement and repattern our brain even. So it can be very helpful to feel calm and grounded to go through these movement patterns. Notice if you're feeling any different right now. It's okay if you don't. It's okay if you don't notice that. And you can put it on repeat, do it as often and as long as you like to see if there is a difference after doing this. And let's take one last deep breath in together. So we're going into our knees, taking a deep breath in, stretch your belly. You can take your shoulders up to your ears as well, and a long exhale. One last time, deep into your knees, taking a big deep breath in, hold, and keeping soft in your knees. I've also linked a book for you down below in the description box of this video if you want to learn more about the Bartenieff fundamentals. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.